police have done a lot of good work in the past, particularly in confiscation of drugs. Large number of cases have been booked. Police on the whole, all the police stations on the whole, including our unit in anti-narcotics, they are doing an excellent job. And you might have found that people had all praise for police during the lockdown process. In fact, today Honorable CM also appreciated the police efforts, and he has also urged the police officer that now the role starts, because of course the medical community is involved in containing COVID, but the role of police is also very crucial because there are many shops, crowded markets, then there are vegetable shops, there are malls, and transport buses are there. So police need to ensure that people are maintaining social distance, and when they come out they are wearing the mask. And in our own police stations also, we have been advised by the Honorable Chief Minister also that they need to ensure that they follow all the safety precaution, hand hygiene, wearing of mask, social distancing, which of course we are already doing that. So the police has to do a lot of work in this area, because by making announcements, by random checking of shops, that whenever customers come to a particular shop, whether they are maintaining the social distance. So all these things were discussed in detail today. Let me first tell you, the number is not large. There are only 8-9 people. 2 have already been recovered. 3 home guards are there. So we have provided them with masks. We have provided them with sanitizers. Even we have provided them with PPE also, reusable PPE. But you know, PPE is basically meant for those doctors, those medical people who have to come in close contact with an affected person. But we have provided these PPEs because sometime in a containment zone, you might have to go inside the containment zone, make announcement, because it is the police who makes announcement that people should confine themselves to their houses. So while making announcement, these officers are wearing PPEs. Similarly, at border check post also, sometimes you might come in contact with a person who is suspected to be affected by corona. So at that time also, because once you are dealing with them, so that PPE should be worn, because police is performing duty in the open, in the sun. So PPE is normally not advisable to be worn at that time. So therefore, on need basis only the police is wearing.
Any difficulty police are facing on ground, like cooperation from public, and that need to be addressed?
Not in particular, but yes, charge is supposed to assist the law enforcement. Even the criminal procedure also says that every citizen should render all possible assistance to a police officer and a magistrate. There is a legal command of the law. But during COVID-19 lockdown, I must say that all people of Goa extended their full support. Our directions were complied with. Whenever we made announcement that people should remain indoors, they followed our advice. And through your medium, I would again request all people of Goa that the risk is still there, because now there are large number of people who are affected, and social distancing is a must. People, when they come out, they should wear mask and they should follow hand hygiene.